Buongiorno, I'm Daniel, and this is clearly my real voice if you are wondering. I'm here to tell you something about me. We have been asked to talk about ourselves for the digital storytelling workshop. I didn't really know what to talk about, so I took some time to think about it, and after thinking, the light turned on and I had an amazing idea. In this moment of my life I am a teacher, but maybe few of you know that I'm also an airplane pilot. So I decided to tell you the story of the inspiring moment when I decided to get my airplane pilot license. At that time I was stuck in a boring office job abroad that didn't motivate me at all, so after some time I decided to go back to my beautiful Italy and rethink my future. One evening I was with my friends and we were talking about future and the importance of dreaming big. At some point I noticed that one plane was passing in the sky. I immediately told my friend that I got an inspiration. The very following day I started researching about flight schools and career paths to become a pilot. I was excited about getting more and more information about aviation life and the path to become a pilot. Eventually I started my pilot course and got my pilot licenses. It was a hard path but an amazing opportunity to grow and at the end extremely rewarding. I'm glad to share with you a lit part of my life with my real voice, and remember that inspiring moments can be found everywhere. See you maybe on your next flights.